And do one more shot showing the openings in that flange arrangement. Okay, this is 770 East 3rd Avenue in Salt Lake City, in the apartment of Reese Hogle in apartment number 2. Okay. Okay. It's my friend Jay Bishop, expert in chemicals. Anyway, I'm going to show you the voids in this arrangement here. Get some more light. Okay, so you can see that, and then I run the pipe up in there so you can see the void in that one, and up here the void in that one. So you can see the openings are serious here. That allows for the fumes of the furnace and the water heater to escape fairly freely from this common step. All right. There you go.